The Manipur Congress has ruled out any evidence on the ground of the government's talks with Kuki and Meitei groups aiming to resolve the ethnic conflict in the state. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Tuesday said that the government was holding talks with both Meitei and Kuki communities to ensure lasting peace. He further added that the government has begun fencing the country's border with Myanmar to check infiltration, which was the root cause for the trouble. Responding to Shah's statement, Manipur Congress Working President K.H. Devabrata Singh told reporters Shah has claimed that the government is holding talks with both Meitei and Kuki groups to resolve the crisis in the state. But there is no evidence of such talks on the ground. There is a lack of transparency in his statement. The center needs to provide details of the groups involved in the dialogue, as there are numerous groups in the Imphal Valley. Talks with one group alone will not be sufficient. It is hard to believe that dialogue is happening as nothing can be seen on the ground level. We demand to know which groups are involved in the talks, he said. On the recent statement of Chief Minister N. Singh about the involvement of foreign hands in the conflict, the senior Congress leader said that such a claim, however, was not made in Shah's statement. The Chief Minister had recently said that the arrest of a militant of KNAB outfit showed the involvement of foreign hands in the conflict. However, there was no such claim in Shah's statement. We think that the claim would have been more credible had the center said that foreign players were involved in the crisis, he said. The Congress leader also demanded a clarification from the state government about the purported official document allegedly signed by Secretary to the Chief Minister, N. Geoffrey, and addressed to the DGP stating that 900 trained Kuki militants have moved to the hills adjoining Imphal Valley and were planning to carry out coordinated attacks on Meitei villages around September 28. The official document circulating on social media has created panic in the fringe areas of Imphal Valley, and there have been reports of construction of bunkers to protect life and properties. We demand a clarification from the Chief Minister and the Secretary to the Chief Minister about it, he said.